Okay, so good morning everyone from Kotagiri. It's quite a chilly morning. I think temperature will be around 12 to 13 degrees Celsius. And this is the place where we are staying. It's called Atmosphere Reserve. Yesterday when it started raining, we were actually trying to find out rooms here, but everything was bloody expensive. 5,000, 8,000, 10,000. We didn't want to spend that much money because we were only 2 people staying just for the night. So yeah, I called a friend of mine who is a local, and he helped us in getting this place. It costed us 2,000 rupees for the night, which is I think kind of decent because the place is really good. Okay, so today's route is gonna be Kotagiri, Ooty, Gudalur, Bandipur and Masnugudi. If we stayed in Ooty yesterday, we could have reached Gudalur earlier, but what's the point? You should never complain about riding in the ghats, right? So yeah, it's time for us to get packed and ready. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. We'll leave by 8 o'clock. I'll see you guys on the road. So we went for a little walk, but over there, I don't think you can see in the GoPro, there is a bison over there, so we don't want to take any chances. Back to the hotel. Okay, so all set to leave from Atmosphere Resort here. The bikes are packed. We have put on all our gear. First thing needed is petrol, because after this petrol is going to be scarce. Nice place. Give it a try if you are not someone who is looking for a great view, just want to spend the night. It's a very neat and decent place to stay, good food. Thank you. Temperature is nice. I think this is the way we came in. Routes are a bit confusing here. So done with filling petrol. 104 rupees a litre. Now off to Ooty. I was reading it in the news a few days back that even after the lockdown has opened, most of the tourists have flocked into the north of the country. The tourism industry in the south has received quite a big hit, and I can actually see it. Kotagiri, Ooty and all should be way more crowded, but it's not. It's empty. Hotel industry, the entire tourism industry is suffering quite a lot. It's in one way it is good for us people who like to be, you know, in less crowded places. So this is a good time for us to go out, but for the industry as a whole, it's a very bad time. Anyways, let's go ahead, enjoy the ride. Lot of twisties. I think Ooty is around 30 kilometers from here. 30 kilometers of twisting, winding, bending roads. Couldn't ask for more.
So back inside Ooty. Now I do not have any plans to stop here, but a friend of mine asked me to bring a particular type of tea for him, which is a specialty of Ooty. So I need to get that. So found the tea packet which my friend was asking for. Kannavarai tea, royal blue. It's 250 grams, is $100. He says it's really good. Let's see. I have taken one packet for myself and Manish has taken one. So we're done with our little bit of shopping here in Ooty. Now we are leaving for Gudalur. The weather looks like it might rain. If it rains, it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but what can we do about it? Mysore, Gudalur to the right. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the favorite stretches of road that I have ridden. This is absolutely my favorite. Ever since the last time I've been on this road, I have always dreamt of when I can be on this road again. Just look at the view, the trees, the roads. Just absolutely beautiful. Just look at the way the clouds are descending down the hill. Oh. So it started to drizzle quite heavily here. Look at the fog in his glasses. Oh shit, the rains are getting heavier. I better keep the GoPro inside. So the rain has stopped, but there's this huge amount of fog that has settled down here. Looks just crazy. Oh, my visor is fogging up. So we are now inside Gudalur. We just crossed Gudalur town. My GoPro was in charge, so I could not record anything. So crossing through Gudalur and we'll be going to Bandipur. We'll be crossing the Tiger Reserve in some time. Might even stop for lunch before crossing Bandipur because we are hungry. The last thing we ate was today morning was a bread omelette when we exited the resort in the morning. The last time we were here, me and my friend used to race on this road because it's a really good stretch with good bends and corners. Our hotel was near, somewhere near to Bandipur, the Tiger Reserve, but we used to come here just for an excuse of, making this commute, making this ride. So even if someone wanted a sticker or a water bottle, we used to come here and pick it up and go. It was that good and that fun. You need to be very careful in these areas. At any corner you can see a wild elephant coming out. This entire thing is a forest reserve, so well, look at it, look at the view. It looks like a proper dense forest. just had our lunch here in Bandipur, just before Bandipur, and we are now going to enter the Bandipur Tiger Reserve. You can see over there, straight ahead of me, the Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. It's a bit of change in the plans. We thought of staying at Masnagudi today, but the contact in Masnagudi is not picking up his phone, so I don't think we'll have much to do there. So rather than getting bored, what we have decided is move to Bangalore. Bangalore is another 250 something kilometers from here. So if we cover that distance today, tomorrow we do not have to struggle much, because otherwise the distance from here would have been 600 something kilometers. Bangalore to Chennai is just 350 something, so we'll be able to cover it with these. So yeah, Mudumalai Tiger Reserve. Elephant dumplings. Oh my god, this is getting real. So a few things which you must follow here are: you should not park your car or your bike and stop on the road. You should not get out of your vehicle. Don't try to get inside the forest or something. And mainly, do not feed the wild animals. It is done for your safety, so I think we should follow it. And every few 100 meters there are speed breakers to ensure that you don't cross the speed limit or go too fast, because animals might be crossing this road anytime. So if you could hear the sounds which I am hearing right now, even you would be a little terrified. A lot of people come to Bandipur or some other tiger reserves just to spot the tiger, I do not want to spot any tiger. I want to be as far from the tiger as possible. The occasional deers and the peacocks and the monkeys are something you generally see. You do not see such tigers and elephants and all on this stretch of road. Hello. Hello. Oh, look on the left. This is not a wild one, of course. Oh, fantastic. So this is the junction point. Okay, if you go this way 36 kilometers, again you will reach Ooty, Kunur, Kotagiri, and Coimbatore is 120 kilometers this way. So Bangalore is there on the board, 241 kilometers, and Mysore is 91 kilometers. Maybe next time, Masnagudi for next time. Holy shit, 1, 2. There's a small one here. Oh shit. Oh shit. Whew. Thank you, Bandipur Tiger Reserve. Oh my god, what is this? A bit of an off-road course at the end. Oh. Probably go a little forward, wait for a tea shop, have a cup of tea, and then ride off to Mysore and then Bangalore. After this is going to be flat plain road, flat tarmac, nothing interesting, I guess. So most probably not be vlog after this. I'll just shut down the GoPro and just ride, and I'll see you guys in Bangalore.